Good day, guys. Today I'll be showing you how to exercise your broiler birds. Can you see? As you all know, exercise is good for both human and animals. Without exercise, their performance will be poor. Most of them, when they don't exercise, normally develop leg issues. When they are a little bit weeks, they start dying one after the other because they lack exercise. The heart will not really pump blood to the right place or at the right time. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can make your bird to exercise themselves inside the pen. Can you see my feeders? Are you all seeing the feeder? My feeders are hung. I hang them depending on the height of the bird. These to and fro movement that they are experiencing as they are eating their feed, it's a form of exercise. By doing this, they won't just sit in a place to eat their food. As they are moving, trying to feed, this one is pushing, that one pushing, so they are also doing exercise. By doing so, it makes them to be able to convert their feed easily. This issue of indigestion won't be there, because sitting in a spot will not make the digestion to take place easily. Are you seeing? Regarding the water, look at the distance of my drinker to their feet. It's not too far and it is not too close. So when they eat, they move a little bit distance to get their water. By also doing so, they are also exercising their body. So when you are planning your pen or you are arranging their water and feed, don't allow the water to be too close and to be too far from them. Don't put the water and drinker at the same spot. Give a little bit distance, so at least they can just walk a distance to take their water. So by this, be able to minimize the risk of sudden death in your pen. Exercise is good for both animals and human beings. So don't forget to like, subscribe for more poultry tips. See you in my next video.